Hello everyone, I am Vivek Kaithwas. Welcome to my channel. I am pursuing MTech from IIPS GAVV Indore. In this video, we will be discussing about the internal second question paper of subject Introduction to Data Science and R language. Now, let's start the video and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Now, first section A is data cleaning. Now, in bias theorem, PA of P of A and B equals 2. So, uh, answer is P of B by A. Now, the 68, 95, and 99.7 rule describes the probability mass of the distribution. So, here answer is normal or Gaussian. Now, the metric that measures uncertainty gained when replacing distributed A with B is called uh, Kullback-Leibler divergence. Because KL divergence measures how one probability distribution diverges from another. Now, fourth, ridge regression uses an L dash penalty while lasso uses an L penalty. So here L2 and L1 because ridge is L2 regularization and lasso is L1 regularization. Now, a model that performs well on training data but fails on unseen data suffers from overfitting. Overfitted models memorize training data but fail to generalize. Now, in logistic regression, coefficients are estimated using the dash likelihood function, so its answer is maximum. Now, logistic regression estimate parameters by maximizing the likelihood. Now, the hyperplane in SVM that maximizes distances between classes is called the dash margin hyperline. So it is maximal. Justification is the SVM decision boundary is the maximal margin hyperplane. Now, in clustering, K means minimizes the within cluster sum of squares of distances. So because k means minimizes within cluster sum of square distances. Now in PCA, the first principal component captures the maximum possible data. Answer is variance because PCA's first component captures the maximum variance. Now CNN are particularly effective for dash data while RNN are suited for dash data. So here CNN are particularly effective for image data and RNN are suited for sequential data. And 11th, in TensorFlow, the structure representing operator and dependencies is called a computational dash. So your answer is graph. TensorFlow construct a computation graph before execution. Now 12th, Hadoop's fault tolerance distorted sorted system is called SDFS. SDFS manages distributed data across nodes with redundancy. Now SQL query combining rows from multiple table based on related column uses the dash clause. So answer is join. SQL join combines rows from multiple tables on shared keys. Now SQL combining rows. The Python collection that ensures only unique element is called set. A Python set enforces uniqueness of elements. Now bootstrapping bootstrapping is a resampling method that samples dash replacement. So here answer is with bootstrapping samples with replacement to create pseudo replicates. Now next, now here is the match the column. Now column A we have Manhattan distances, Euclidean distance, Pearson coefficient, supreme Spearman coefficient, L1 regularization, L2 regularization, bagging, boosting, regression, lasso regression. And column we have k equals to 1, sum of absolute differences, k equals to 2, straight line distances, correlation based on rings, and uh, of xy divided by sigma x into sigma y, shrink some coefficient to 0 and shrink all coefficient proportionally bootstrapped aggregation of trees. sequentially focuses on misclassified samples uses penalty lambda sigma beta square uses penalty lambda sigma. Now here are the answers for this match the columns. Now moving to next in section C, deep learning. Now compute probability. Now section C, deep learning. Question number 16, compute probability. A fair die roll twice. Probability that sum 7 greater than p equals to dash. So here answer is p equals to 1 by 6. Now for a binomial distribution n equals to 10 and p equals to 0.5, expected value equals to uh, np equals to 10 into 0.5, that is 5. Because for binomial estimation mean equals to np. And now if r square equals to 0.8 and tss equals to 100, compute rss. So rss equals to tss into r1 minus r square, which is 100 into 0.2, that gives 20. Now in linear regression gradient descent update rule for weight w, where w equals to w minus a alpha into uh, delta j divided by delta w. Now for a normal 0 1 distribution, what percent of data lies between -2 and +2 dash? So here answer is 95.4, because for and -2 sigma in normal 0 to 1, 95.4 percentile of data lies within. Now for k-fold cross validation with k equals to 5, each iteration uses what percentage of data of training? So here answer is 80%. Now compute precision if TP equals to 40, FP equals to 100, precision equals to, so we have formula precision equals to TP upon TP plus FP. So our answer is 40 upon 40 plus 10, which gives us 0.8. So 0.8 is our answer. Now compute precision. Now if recall 0.8 and precision equals to 0.4, F1 score. So, so F for F1 we have formula 2 into 0.8 into 0.4 divided by 0.8 plus 0.4, which gives us 0.533. Now now 24, a model gives TP equals to 70, TN equals to 80, FP equals to 20 and Fn equals to 30. So accuracy is, we have formula for accuracy is TP plus TN whole divided by TP plus TN plus FP plus FN. So we got by this answer is 0.75. Now for a Poisson lambda equals to 3 distribution, expected value equals to, so expected value equals to lambda equals to 3. Now next in section D, Python data structures, one line command instructions. Now write Python code to compute mean of list A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 using numpy. So we have command np dot mean A. Now convert list 1, 2, 3 to a npy array. So we have command np dot array 1, 2, 3. Now create a data frame from direct dictionary A and 1 2 and b 3 4 using pandas. So here we have command pt dot data frame a 1 2 3 b 3 4. Now replace all missing values in data frame df with column mean. So df fill na df mean in place equals to true. Now display first 5 rows of data frame df. So df dot head, plot histogram of column height using matplotlib. So here we have a command plt.hist inside parenthesis df height. Now apply one hot encoding to categorical column color pd.get dummies df color. Now compute correlation between two pandas column x and y dfx co corr Now find the unique elements in the list using Python set. So here command is set a. Add a new key value pair pi 3 which is 3.14 to dictionary D. So here D pi equals to 3.14. Create a DQ and append elements 1, 2, 3. So from collection import DQ equals to DQ 1, 2, 3. Pop smallest element from heap. So heap q dot heap pop in parenthesis heap. Now create numpy array of 0 of shape 3 3. So np dot zeros 3 3. Convert column date to date time type in pandas. So we have command pd dot to date time df date. Now filter data frame rows where column score are greater than 50. So df score greater than 50. Now fill in the blanks. Option section E. Now section E, analytics or applications. No single ML algorithm performs best on all problems refers to the answer is no free lunch theorem. The method that uses smaller training subset repeatedly to estimate test error is called cross validation. In KNN, runtime grows with O and dash where n is the number of points and d is the dimensions. So answer is O and d because KNN compares a query against all n training points in d dimension. The curse of dimensionality affect algorithm that depend on dash matrix. So answer is distance because high dimensional distances lose meaning. Curse of dimensionality. Now PCA transform correlated features into dash components. So answer is uncorrelated or orthogonal because PCA construct orthogonal principal components. Now the purpose of making words to numerical vector is NLP is known as word dash embeddings because converts because embedding converts words to numerical vector for ML models. Now in a neural network removing random neurons during training is called dash. So answer is dropout because regularization by randomly disabling neurons. Now Spark uses dash RDDs for fault tolerant distributed data storage. So your answer is resilient distributed data sets. Spark's immutable and fault tolerant distributed collection. In Hadoop, YARN stands for yet another resource negotiator. Justification: YARN Hadoop's cluster resource management system. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.